Hey traders, today we're going to talk about a concept called stop loss. Okay, it's a concept that has saved me a lot of money and has really reduced the amount of losses that I had when a trade or an investment has not gone in my favor. So it's a very, very important concept that all of you should really abide by, and also it's something that you should have on any trade that you enter into or any investment that you get into. So it's an example where, let's just say, we all enter into an investment or into a trade to make money, right? We don't enter into a trade to deliberately lose money. And if the opportunity does not work out, we just have to say, you know what, this position didn't work, this idea didn't work, we got to take the loss and move on to another opportunity. So if you are a trader, whenever you enter any order into the market, make sure that you have a stop loss order attached to it, meaning that if the trade does not go in your direction, it goes against you, you got to take that loss, hopefully it's a small one, and take those losses and then move on and try to look for another opportunity. So for example, in this scenario, let's just say you're buying a stock at $50 and you set a stop loss order at $49, meaning that if the stock that you bought at $50 and it goes below $49, it would exit your position, so you would lose $1 of that share price. And in this example, let's just say you bought 100 shares times $1 stop loss order, you would result in only $100 loss. Now if the stock actually continues going lower and actually goes down to $40, you'll lose $10 times 100 shares. That would lead to you losing $1,000. So it's a very, very important concept. Make sure that whenever you enter into any trade or any investment, you got a backup plan and put your stop loss order in place and exit, hopefully again with a small loss, and move on to the next opportunity. So next time we're going to talk about feng shui. It's an ancient Chinese way of improving your qi or energy, and it's a very, very important part that I feel that will help you in your trading. So make sure to subscribe to our videos, like us on Facebook and Twitter, and I'll see you guys here next time.